how to add your Delta ticket to Apple Wallet. Hello everyone, I am Shaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. To add your Delta boarding pass to Apple Wallet, after checking in for your Delta flight online, look for an Add to Apple Wallet button or link on the boarding pass page. Tap this to add the boarding pass to your iPhone's wallet app. Next, if you don't see the Add to Apple Wallet option, you can also add the boarding pass through the Delta mobile app. Look for your upcoming flight and tap the Add to Wallet button. Once the boarding pass is added to your wallet app, you can open it on your iPhone or Apple Watch to present it at the airport. Simply open the wallet app and find your Delta boarding pass and hold your device near the contactless reader or show it to the gate agent. You can also add your Delta SkyMiles digital card to Apple Wallet, which can be used for boarding instead of boarding pass each time you fly. The key steps are to check in online or through the Delta app. Look for the Add to Apple Wallet option and then you can conveniently access your boarding pass on your iPhone or Apple Watch at the airport. So, this is how you can add your Delta ticket to Apple Wallet. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.